Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Potted Home channel. I'm Janelle, your plant and home enthusiast. So Thanksgiving is way over, and now it's time for the Christmas decorating. This year, I really want to go more neutral and minimalistic in design. So that means more muted colors, greenery, and wood textures throughout. And this will be basically a bit different than what I did last year, where I added a bunch of red accents everywhere. I'll be starting off by removing all of our fall decor. Until next time, you guys know how much I love all of those colors. Well, let's get this thing started. All right. So I'll start here with the kitchen island. Let's clear off all of the fall decor to make way for a holiday vignette here. I'll probably still use that round riser because I love it so much. The key here is to add a bunch of layers and texture, which I'm using with the greenery wreath and these bottle brush trees. Sorry, I am a little bit finicky when it comes to placement, so just bear with me. Next, we have this deer wreath hanger, and I'm going to spray paint it gold. It looks great, not too yellow. And I'm hanging some white berries. Very simple, but adds a nice textural design. Along with these snow-covered pine cones in the same colors. You might remember these stocking holders from my Target unboxing video that I have. I really wanted them in gold, but they were sold out at the time. So I went ahead and bought these. It's funny that these are now sold out. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint them with the same gold. And I'm gonna finish it with a tiny bit of yellow gold. With these holders done, now I can start to finally piece together my vision of the mantle. This cedar garland is also from one of my unboxing videos. It's from a company called Terrain, which is part of Anthropology, if I'm not mistaken. Thanks again for joining me today. So, what'd you guys think? Please let me know what your favorite part of the decoration was down in the comments below. For me, it has to be the mantle, hands down. That cedar garland, perfect. My whole vision came together. In my next video, it's all gonna be about that Christmas tree. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get updates on my latest content. Until next time, bye!